When I was in my third year, I have read the entire park in 20 days. Yes, you heard it right, in just 20 days. So now the question arises, is it really necessary to read park for third year in PSM? So hello everyone, myself Rehan Khan, a final year medico in a government college in Karnataka. So in this today's video, we'll be discussing, is it really necessary and worth it to read park, the gold standard book for PSM, Preventive and Social Medicine, aka Community Medicine. जैसे आपने सुना है वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में दैट आई हैव सेड कि आई हैव रेड द एंटायर पार्क इन 20 डेज. क्या ये क्लिक बेट के लिए मैंने बोला या इसमें कोई रियलिटी भी है? और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंटली, क्या मुझे इसका कोई बेनिफिट हुआ था ये मैंने जो पार्क रीड करी थी? सारी चीजें आपके साथ इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. और हर थर्ड ईयर का जो स्टूडेंट इस साल पीएसएम और एफएमटी, आप लोगों के लिए दो ही पेपर हैं, का एग्जाम लिखने वाला है, उसके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा कि डू वी एक्चुअली नीड टू रीड पार्क कवर टू कवर और व्हाट इज नेसेसरी. देयर आर टू मेजर ओपिनियंस व्हिच सेज कि गो ओनली विद द हेडिंग्स ऑफ पार्क एंड सी द वीडियोस whichever platform you are using, be it Maro, Bhatia, I'll not say name, or YouTube, famous all time favorite. समझ गए होगे आप मैं किसकी बात कर रहा हूं. तो इस फेमस ओपिनियन से हटकर आई डिड समथिंग डिफरेंट. What? I didn't read anything. No. I read the entire park cover to cover. But was it really that I have read it n number of times cover to cover? No. For the first reading, I have done it from the cover to cover, and the subsequent readings, I just go with the important question. See, I just reduce my content every time I read this book. Firstly, I read it from cover to cover very fast. समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं समझ में आ रहा, let it be. I was like, बस I have to finish it as soon as I can. I have seen someone telling that he have completed the entire park in 20 days. I saw it either on Quora or somewhere on the YouTube. So I had this thought in my mind, do I have to do it also in 20 days, or can I do it in 20 days? I thought, let us give it a try. I counted number of pages. It was somewhere around 1100 to 1200, 1300. I decided I'll read yeah, 100 pages per day or 150 pages per day. It will approximate around 1000 pages in 10 days. I guess number of pages I told is a bit different. See, I have this book. Let us see. Exactly. It is 1010 pages if I talk about the actual number of pages content wise. So I thought कि यार अगर अपन 100 पेज पर डे का टारगेट रखेंगे, कुछ तो उसमें से कंप्लीट होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. 10 दिन जो है बचा हुआ टाइम कंप्लीट करेंगे. एंड यू नॉट बिलीव इट, आई डिड इट इन अप्रोक्सीमेटली 17 to 18 डेज. कभी 50 पढ़ा, कभी 75 पढ़ा, कभी 150 भी पढ़ लिया, जो कभी पढ़ाई नहीं होती थी. बट ओवरऑल आई डिड इट इन 20 डेज, मोटा मोटा. अब द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस कि क्या इतने टाइम देने का इसमें नीड थी? देखो, आई एम बेसिकली अब मोर इंक्लाइन टूवर्ड्स रीडिंग बुक. वैसे ना तो मैं वीडियोस देखता हूँ, ना मैं बुक पढ़ता हूँ, बट अगर कोई मुझे एक ऑप्शन देगा तो आई कंसिडर बुक रीडिंग एज अ बेटर चॉइस, एज अ बेटर ऑप्शन. और इस चीज से मुझे एग्जाम में क्या हेल्प मिली, जब मेरे थियरी पेपर हो गया था और जब प्रैक्टिकल्स के बीच में जो ड्यूरेशन था ना, उस बीच में भी फॉर प्रैक्टिकल्स आई डिडंट स्टडीड मच. आई जस्ट go through the question paper which I had for my university, and you'll not believe I was able to answer all the questions which were different out of the question paper which I was asked in the viva. Why? Because I have gone through this book at least 4 to 5 times. I just reduced the number of content I tried to remember when I read the book subsequently. जैसे कि first reading में I read it from cover to cover. Secondly, I have marked the important questions using that RS and Singi. I have highlighted it. Then I tried to read all the questions which were there in past 5 years, I guess 4 to 5 year papers. Then subsequently I just revised only those topics. So it was very easy for me to revise it. And even in my final exams, I didn't use any other resource. I just read this book park, and this was my only source which I've used to pass in my prof exam. You'll see a complete condition of this book by the time I reach the end of this video, and I'll show it to you that I'm not flabbergasting or I'm not just saying anything. I've did it and I'm telling you, read this book. It will definitely help you find time. And most importantly, first, second, third reading, you'll not understand anything. You'll feel like, why did I wasted so much time reading this book? But trust me, read it. It will help you. It will help you in longer retention. It will help you to write answers very nicely. Reading coaching notes or any faculty notes, it will help for revision, but for first, or at least for first 2 to 3 readings, go through this book. It is a very good book. You'll finish it very easily. It would be very helpful for you in your final exam, trust me. I have seen a very tremendous change when I have gone through this book. Earlier I just used to study 20 days, 15 days back before my final exam, but in my third year I tried doing something यार कि कुछ तो करते हैं पढ़ते हैं, and I tried reading this book. After Apurva Shastri, this was the second book I have gone through. A very good book, very beautifully written. You'll not understand it in the first time, but just hustle with it, try to understand it. It will definitely help you in your prof. And still, if you are stuck at anything, किसी चीज में अटक गए हो, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to help. I'll come with a next idea with a different topic in the next video. So I guess the conclusion of the video is read Park. If you are liking this video, if you are liking my channel, do like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. So this is what my park looks like. If anyone believes that I am just lying to you, I have not gone through it. Yeah, starting from, if I, you can see it, I have gone through it, man. I have marked it, everything. It took a lot of patience, a lot of efforts to go through this book completely. So I hope this would be enough for everyone to trust me that I have definitely read this book.